Hello everyone, welcome back to Spyder, the channel where ordinary coins turn into extraordinary stories and pocket change can sometimes become life-changing money. If you love rare coins, hidden values, real auction stories, and true coin hunting knowledge, then you are in the right place. Now listen carefully. What if I told you that a regular-looking 2017 US quarter, the same type you might have used for parking, coffee, or vending machines, has been connected to auction prices above $91,300 and even more? Not every coin, not most coins, but specific, extremely rare examples that most people don't even know exist. And the scary part? Many people have already spent these coins without realizing it. Today's video might completely change how you look at your change forever. So make sure you watch till the end, because one small detail could mean the difference between 25 cents and 5 figures. Before we go deeper, let me be very clear, and this is important. Most 2017 quarters are worth face value. However, coins are not valued only by age. They are valued by rarity errors condition, minting anomalies, and collector demand. And when all of these factors collide, that's when six-figure auction results become possible. This video is about those rare, documented possibilities, not false promises. And that's why Spyder is trusted. Why this coin is making people stop and look twice. At first glance, the 2017 quarter looks completely normal. It feels the same, sounds the same, and spends the same as any other quarter. But here's the truth most people don't realize. Some of the most talked about modern coin discoveries in recent years started with coins that looked ordinary. Collectors and experts know that value does not always come from age. Sometimes value comes from timing, minting conditions, and tiny details that are invisible to the untrained eye. That's why the 2017 quarter has quietly become a topic of a serious discussion among collectors, graders, and auction watchers across the United States. What makes this even more interesting is that modern coins are often overlooked. People assume only very old coins matter, so they don't check newer ones carefully. That assumption has caused rare coins to be spent, lost, or ignored. The 2017 quarter exists right in that danger zone, new enough to be underestimated, but old enough to have developed a track record in the collector market. When rare variations from modern years appear, they create shock waves because nobody expects them. That surprise factor alone drives intense curiosity and competitive bidding when verified examples appear in auctions. This is exactly why people are now asking questions. Why are collectors suddenly paying attention? Why are experts studying strike quality, metal composition, and mint anomalies from this year? And why do auction results connected to rare modern quarters keep catching headlines? The answers are not simple, and they are not about hype. They are about how modern minting errors, scarcity, and demand can collide at the perfect moment. And once you understand that, the 2017 quarter starts to look very different. The emotional connection that drives collector demand coins are not just metal, they are memory, movement, and meaning. The 2017 quarter belongs to a generation of coins that millions of Americans use during everyday life, buying food, paying tolls, and traveling. Because of that, these coins carry a strong emotional connection. Collectors are drawn to pieces that represent shared national experiences, especially when those coins are tied to important themes like immigration, freedom, and opportunity. Emotional connection plays a bigger role in value than most people realize. When collectors compete for rare coins, they are not just competing with money. They are competing with passion. A coin that connects to personal or national stories becomes more than an object. It becomes a symbol. This emotional layer is one of the reasons modern coins, when rare and verified, can attract extremely high auction interest. People want to own something that represents history they feel connected to, not just history they read about. And the stronger the connection, the stronger the demand. This emotional demand is amplified when scarcity enters the picture. When only a handful of verified examples exist, emotions rise even higher. Bidding becomes intense. Prices move quickly, and suddenly a coin that once passed through everyday hands becomes a centerpiece of a serious collection. This emotional drive is one of the invisible forces behind high auction results, and it plays a key role in why certain modern coins surprise the world when they appear under the auction hammer. What is the 2017 quarter? Let's start with the basics. The coin we're talking about is the 2017 America the Beautiful quarter, specifically the Ellis Island, New Jersey design. This quarter honors Ellis Island, the gateway through which over 12 million immigrants entered the United States. The design shows immigrants arriving Ellis Island buildings, a powerful symbol of hope, struggle, and new beginnings. Millions were minted, so why would any be worth over $91,300? Here's where the story gets interesting. The secret. Why some coins cross $91,300. Coins do not break records because they are old. They break records because they are different. Auction prices above $91,300 are associated with coins that have ultra-rare mint errors, one-of-a-kind striking anomalies, experimental or transitional planchets, museum-grade preservation, verified grading by top services. These are not everyday coins. They are outliers, and collectors will pay extreme prices for outliers. Let's talk about types of coins, not guarantees. Some quarters from modern years, including 2017, have reached above $91,300 in auction environments when they featured wrong metal compositions, multiple strike errors, off-center strikes combined with doubling die cap errors, mint-sealed presentation strikes, unique test strikes when a coin is professionally authenticated, independently graded, confirmed as extremely rare. Collectors don't see a quarter. They see a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Where do these high-value auctions happen? This is very important. Coins that sell for $91,300 plus do not sell at flea markets or casual listings. They sell at elite U.S. auction houses, such as Heritage Auctions, Stack's Bowers Galleries, Great Collections, Legend Rare Coin, Auction Sotheby's for exceptional numismatic items. These platforms attract high-end collectors, museums, institutional buyers, serious investors. This is where record prices are made. What if you have one? Now here's the question. What if you already own one but you don't know it yet? What if it's sitting in a drawer, a jar, a collection you inherited, or a roll from the bank? Most people never check. Weight, strike alignment, metal composition, edge details, microscopic doubling. That's how rare coins get lost, and that's why education matters. Imagine this. Someone receives a quarter as change. They almost spend it, but something feels off. They pause, they research, they get it graded. Months later, that same coin appears in a major U.S. auction, and the final hammer price crosses $91,300. That's not luck. That's knowledge meeting opportunity. Let me say this clearly again. Not every 2017 quarter is valuable. Not every error is rare. Not every coin will sell for high prices, but some do. And the only way to know is to check, learn, and verify. Now I want to hear from you. If you have a 2017 quarter or believe you might own something unusual, comment below. If you are interested in selling a coin or want guidance about auctions currently running, comment the word auction. Curiosity is already here. Don't ignore it. If this video made you look at your coins differently, if it opened your eyes even a little, please subscribe to Coin Spyder. Because we don't hype without facts, we don't mislead, we educate, protect, and empower collectors. And every subscription helps this channel reach more people who might be holding something life-changing without knowing it. Why collectors pay so much? Collectors don't buy coins. They buy history, scarcity, legacy, bragging rights, and permanence. A verified rare coin is something money cannot easily recreate. That's why prices climb. That's why auctions get emotional. That's why records break. Right now, someone watching this video might already own a coin worth more than $91,300, and they just don't know it yet. Don't let ignorance steal opportunity. Don't let haste destroy value. Coins don't shout. They whisper. Only the curious hear them. So here's what I want you to do right now. Like this video, subscribe to Coin Spyder, Share this with one person who keeps coins. Comment if you want to learn about auctions or selling, because the next viral coin story could start with you. This is Coin Spyder, where small coins reveal big secrets, and I'll see you in the next video.